To enable the laser cutting, we need to remove the wire feeder, and then remove the nozzle for welding, and we put the nozzle for cutting on the top of the head. This is the cutting nozzle. Okay, screw it up. Done. The nozzle focal length is normally in 0 to 2, and then we tighten it. Okay, that's it. And we need to adjust the parameter. Scanning width, make it to 0, and power, for example we make it 1000, and then import. Okay, now we can see the scanning width is 0. Okay, we can try to cut. First, we need to make sure the red line in the center of the nozzle. We use the paper tape to put on the top of the nozzle to make sure the red line is in the center of the hole. Don't use the gun to focus on the people. So now we can see the red line is almost in the center, because it's very important. Otherwise, if we damage the nozzle. Okay, we can try to cut. Press the trigger, and we can see we make a hole on the sheet, and we can touch the nozzle to make sure it's not heating. Okay, we can try to cut something. For example, we make a circle, cutting circle. Better to find something to help us to hold the gun. Okay, let's cut it. Cut a small circle. The pressure of the gun, we recommended to use 10 to 15 bar of the argon or the nitrogen. Okay, let's cut it. Goes vertical to the sheet. Okay, it will help us to focus the gun easily. Okay, that's it. You can cut one more. Just try to get the feeling of the gun, because it's handheld.